What is common in all these visuals? Yes, you are right. It is happiness arising out of comfort, and the reason for which is there is an electrical automation system working behind these scenes which is either designed or manufactured by Teknocrat's team. Teknocrat's Control Systems India Private Limited was established in 1993 to offer customized electrical and automation solutions to industry. Teknocrat's team earned an invaluable insight in electrical and automation design and manufacturing, thanks to long association with industry leaders like Siemens, ABB, and learnings during turnkey execution of numerous industrial automation projects for more than 20 years. Since 2012, TCS-IPL changed its strategy and decided to associate with equipment manufacturers who need design and manufacturing expertise of electrical and automation technology. Today, with an able workforce of more than 350 individuals and manufacturing area of more than 55,000 square feet, TCS-IPL offers solutions in electrical automation control systems, wire harnesses, and electronic control products. Major customers of TCS-IPL include KSB, Siemens, ABB, Emerson, Epiroc, Thermax, and Mahindra, to name a few.
Technocrat journey is inspired by its vision of being the most preferred and trusted solution provider of control systems for the global equipment manufacturers.
We are very sure with our core values of credibility, respect of individual, and learning, we can achieve our vision in a short time.
Due to its complex and ever-changing nature of automation and electronic technologies, equipment manufacturers find it costly to maintain infrastructure and retain manpower for design and manufacturing of these technologies. TCS-IPL relieves its customers from this pain and aims to make them more competitive in the market. TCS-IPL has been successfully performing this role of an automation partner by getting involved in their new product development, manufacturing, value engineering to after-sales support. When it comes to an automated control systems for electrically wired equipments, Teknocrat is one of the very few manufacturers in India which offers a single-stop solution, thanks to its ability to design and manufacture electronic cards, control enclosures, and wire harnesses under a single roof. This feature not only expedites the new product development process, but also helps the customer to fix up the accountability of electrical failures and initiate improvement projects. Located amidst green surroundings, TCS-IPL offers a comfortable environment for its team. A team of design engineers equipped with latest tools like Eplan, AutoCAD, development tools for embedded systems, has a cumulative technical experience of more than 100 years. Teknocrat's own Metalcraft division is well equipped to produce world-class powder-coated sheet metal enclosures. The fabrication process starts with cutting using modern fiber laser cutting machines, which can cut metal sheets as well as pipes. The laser-cut sheets are bent precisely on CNC press brake machines, followed by welding and finishing. The finished metal enclosures then goes through surface treatment for making them immune to corrosion and better paint adherence. This is done through a fully automated 7-tank phosphating process. The treated enclosures then powder-coated in a booth, followed by heating in an oven. Finally, the powder-coated enclosures are fitted with accessories and are ready for use. An in-house prototype development and testing facility helps in faster development. Wires are prepared on an automatic cutting, striping, and crimping machine. Wires identification is either done with ferrules or by direct printing. There is a hydraulic crimping machine to crimp power cables reliably. Control system manufacturing process starts with the fitting of components on the enclosure base plate. The required copper, aluminum parts are prepared in-house with a hydraulically assisted bus bar cutting, bending, and punching machine. Wiring is done manually but is the most important activity from the quality perspective. Average experience of wiremen in this workshop is 7.5 years, which helps to ensure required quality. Each unit is tested for all the functionalities on customized test systems as per the checklists. Teknocrat's team also includes skilled fitters to undertake precise electromechanical assemblies. This ability enables technocrats to manufacture a total electronic equipment like hydro-pneumatic pumping systems and traction motor control units. Manual assembly of complicated wire harnesses is done by experienced technicians. Most of the wire harnesses are tested on computerized test systems. TCS-IPL has developed solutions for various industry verticals, such as construction, pumping, DG sets, mining, railway traction, elevators, HVAC, electrical, etc. Teknocrat's after-sales support team with experienced engineers offers 24/7 support to all its customers through site visits, telephonic assistance, and well-equipped repairing center. Teknocrat's team processes 8,000-odd components to manufacture more than 750 types of finished products. With the help of TCS Ion ERP software, which works seamlessly across all departments, TCS-IPL can handle such complex operations efficiently. Quality at Teknocrats starts with the incoming material inspection. All the received components are tested using latest test equipments as per their category, such as green, yellow, and red. Supply chain management plays a crucial role in system integration business. Our efficiently managed stores ensures FIFO and traceability. All sections in the value stream are distributed among various workstations. Activities, products, tools, and people on each workstation are fixed. Concern Master is maintained at each workstation. Skill levels are reviewed and suitable training is imparted at in-house Dexterity Center. Periodical validation of tools is a critical QA process. Periodical 4M audits are conducted for continuous improvement. All finished goods are tested as per checklist in final pre-dispatch inspection. Continuous improvement is the way of life at Teknocrats. DSI, that is Daily Small Improvement, is an initiative at Teknocrats to nurture improvement mindset. Everyone is expected to register one small improvement daily with the help of a mobile app. Average 2,000 DSIs are registered every month. Value-adding DSIs are rewarded. Major concerns are analyzed using RCA. Corrective actions are reviewed for effectiveness. Strong and vibrant processes are the result of our continuous improvement culture and periodical internal audits. Our processes are ISO 9001, 2015 compliant, which are certified by TÜV Nord. At Teknocrats, people are the most important asset due to its technology-driven business model and manual manufacturing process. Required technical knowledge and skill levels are ensured through a well-equipped internal training center. Teknocrats management has successfully established performance-centric culture through deployment of KRA KPIs for individual and PQCDM for each department. Engaged team is one of the strengths of Teknocrats, which is a result of frequent employee engagement activities like rewards, sports, picnics, and special efforts to create appreciation culture through well-done cards.
All laws related to minimum wages, overtime, PF, factory laws, safety and environment are strictly complied with.
An experienced second line enables Teknocrats to meet its goals consistently under the leadership of Amar Vaidya and Nilesh Salgaonkar, who are alumni of College of Engineering Pune, with a rich industrial experience of more than 30 years. A robust annual business planning process, followed by a monthly review meeting, ensures timely corrective actions for various business issues. At Teknocrats, CSR is not only to repay the debt to society, but also to create awareness among employees about social cause. TCS-IPL team actively participates in blood donation and also monetary donations to various NGOs every month. To date, Teknocrats Group has contributed to more than 50 NGOs. We are eager to associate with you as an electrical and automation partner. We are sure it is going to be a long-term and trustworthy relationship.